If you're experiencing account sync issues in Apex Legends, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock your account. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, sync problems can be caused by server outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify your account. Ensure that your account is properly linked to the platform you are using: Origin, Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. Go to the account settings and check if the correct accounts are linked. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC, you can try clearing the game cache through the platform settings. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Apex Legends support. Provide them with details about the sync issue, and they can assist you further in unlocking your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in Apex Legends. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the game's support team.